Good day, and once again, welcome to our new video. I'm Jasper from Golden Detector Company, the exclusive distributor of GeoGround Germany devices in the Middle East. Today, I'm going to present to you the new device from GeoGround Germany, which is the Gold Vision. The Gold Vision is a device that can detect hidden gold treasure, precious metals, and even tunnel and cave under the ground. It has the range of 3,000 meters and can detect up to 40 meters depth. The device uses advanced technology to create a 3D image of the ground and identify the location of the treasure. It is useful for gold prospectors and treasure hunters looking to locate the gold deposits quickly and accurately. The Gold Vision 3D ground scanner and long-range locator is an innovative device that can save time and money for those in the treasure hunting industry. Let's move on the parts and accessories for the Gold Vision device. So we have this main unit. So this main unit is with the navigation button, color display, we have LED flashlight, and we have also this laser, and this is the smart sensor. It's detachable sensor, and we have this 2 antenna recipient and 1 parabolic antenna. And on the side there is a Type-C port for charging. We have this handle. So this handle is with the trigger button, lock and unlock for the handle, and charging port Type-C. We have this charger. And this is the tablet included, the Samsung A8. So it's powered by GeoGround software. So we can analyze the data in 3D image and in 2D. So we can analyze the depth and the size of the target. We have this case. It's waterproof and shockproof case. Warranty certificate for 3 years. And lastly, Golden Detector warranty card for 2 years. So let's move on the screen of the Gold Vision device. So as you can see, we have this ground scan. This is the search system. Long range, free mode, smart depth, Ionic, and Bionic system. So we have these settings. On the settings, you can adjust the time, display, sound, several languages, and you have the information of the device. Let's move on now in the 3D ground scanner system in Gold Vision device. So I have this tablet connected with the Gold Vision device. So let's choose 3D ground scan, and we have these settings. So you can see there is a path, meaning if you want zigzag or parallel movement. So I will choose now parallel, and then direction, if you, do you want to start or the start point. So I will choose now right, and the type of scanning, manual or automatic. I will choose now manual, and number of lines, and as you can see, I can adjust this. I want only for now for 3 for a short distance, and for short scanning. And we have these pulses, so I will make it also 3 or 4. I will make it 4. So now we can now start scanning by pressing this start scan, and you can see there it's a movement for the parallel motion or movement. So just skip it, and then now just hold this device, and each time you will step, you have to press this trigger button. Remember, I choose manual. So after that, you can save this scanning, and now save file. So this is the captured image in 3D ground scanner in Gold Vision. So as you can see, there is a different color. So meaning of the red color is the metallic object, yellow is the natural mineral, green is for the ground, and blue is for the space or cavity under the ground. So there is a light blue, meaning it's a small amount of space under the ground. So first, you have to select this type of soil. So it will give you accurate depth. So for example, you have the concrete or let's say clay. You have a clay ground. Just press that one to give an exact or accurate depth. So now, as you can see, you can view the depth. So each column. So if you want some column, just press this button, then you can see each column there is a depth. So meaning on this part, 1.8 meters of cavity. So on the middle here, there is a 0.1 meters, meaning green, that is the ground. And you can see there is a color red metallic object. So the depth is 2.0 meters. So now there is also a frameware or wireframe, I mean. Just press this if you want to view it in wireframe. that is in 3D. Just press again to turn it off. You can view it in 3D like this. Just reset. And then now, if you want to view the data, just press this data. And the most important, of course, is this the depth. And after that, you can filter the color. So if you don't want to see red color, or meaning the metallic object, just press it, and it will remove the red color or the metallic object. If you want to go back, again, press that one, the red one. If you want to remove the ground, just press the green, and it will remove the color green or the ground. So now, let's proceed to the other one. This is a 3D plot color. So this is the settings. It has this jet. It has this hot. This is a parula. We have this cool, or the last one is the spring. Let's move on now in the long range system in Gold Vision device. Just press OK. And as you can see, there is a different type of target. So you can choose bronze, cavity, copper, diamond, gemstone, gold ore, gold treasure, gold veins, iron, platinum, and silver. So if you select, for example, gold treasure, so the device will gonna look or find only for gold treasure, no other target. And next one, soil type. It depends on what type of soil you have. So you can choose high mineral, low mineral, normal, rocky, sand, stony, and wet. And after that, you can select the range that you want the device to detect. So you can select or adjust up to 3,000 meters. After that, we have this depth. So you can also adjust the depth. It depends on how you want the device to detect, or how many depth you want the device to detect. So this one is up to 40 meters. So after that, you can see that there is a report or settings that you made, all the settings that you made. So after that, press OK, and then calibrate the device by pressing this trigger button. So after pressing, okay, there's a smart balancing here. So it should be on the green one, and unlock this handle to make it or to turn, to make it freely. And now, as you can see, if the device is turning right or left, but not full or not turning around, or not turning 360, meaning the device is detecting target on that side. So you just have to follow, and if the device is detecting the target under the device or under the Gold Vision device, it will turn 360 degree like this continuously. So meaning the device is detecting the target under the ground. Let's move on the free mode. So this free mode, you can select the specific frequency that you want to find, and you can adjust this. And there is a soil type. So it depends on what type of soil you have. So you have low mineral and high mineral, normal, rocky, sand, stony, and wet. We have also this distance. It's adjustable, so you can adjust it up to 3,000 meters. And we have this depth, so it's adjustable also. Depends on how many depth you want the device to detect. So this is up to 40 meters. And after that, you can select this search. So this is all the settings that you made, and you can now do this free mode in long range. Calibrate. And as you can see, there is a smart balancing. So if the device is going to turn left or right, like this, meaning the device is detecting a target on that side. So after that, if the device is going 360 degree, meaning the device or the target is under this device. Let's move on the Bionic system. I have an example there that is a gold bracelet. So this Bionic system, you have to lock the target or lock an item like the gold bracelet. So after locking the target or the gold bracelet, it will only look for the content of the same gold bracelet. So let's do an example. So lock by pressing this trigger button. And after that, going to the other location, if there is no signal, meaning there is no same content of the gold bracelet. Let's proceed in the Ionic system. So this Ionic system is for finding long time buried treasure. So it's for all metal. So let's proceed. Press the trigger button for reset. If the device is giving you like that one, or giving you a signal for the target, meaning it has a long time buried treasure or long time buried metal like gold. So if the device is giving you a signal for the cavity, meaning the device is detecting a cavity or tunnel or cave under the ground. Let's proceed now in the smart depth system. Just press OK. And as you can see, there is a notification, move to center point and press to start first direction. So meaning you have to stand up on the target has been detected. So after standing up, you have to press this trigger button. Each time you have to, each time you step, you have to press this trigger button, or you have to press the trigger button. So for example, we'll press. After that, you can see there is an arrow and it's telling you on the right side, front. So you have to walk on the front, and each time or each step, you have to press the trigger button. So after that process, it will tell you, or the device will tell you to go back at the center point. And then after that, stand up again there and just press, and then it will tell you right. So second step is right. You have to move or face on the right, and then each step you have to press again the trigger button. After that, moving again to the center point, it will tell you now, or it will appear on the right side, left. So you have to face left, and then again each step you have to press the trigger button. After that, going back again to the center point, it will tell you now back. So you have to face back, and then each step you have to press the trigger button. And after that, it will give you the exact depth of the target in meters. For inquiries and more information of the Gold Vision device, you can contact us in our company number below, available in WhatsApp, Viber, and Botim.